So friends, in this video I will tell you how you can increase the font size in VS Code. So here there are two things. So there are two separate settings basically. So if you want to increase the font size of the editor, that is different setting. And if you want to increase the font of all the things including this Explorer, then menu bar and basically everything, so that is another setting. So first of all I will tell you how to increase the font of everything in VS Code. So for that what you have to do is you have to press the shortcut key Control and equal to sign. As you can see, the font of everything is increased. So I'll just tell you the shortcut key once again. So let me open that on screen keyboard so that you can see which keys you need to press. So Control and this one, okay. So if you press that, the font size will be increased, and if you want to reduce it, press Control and this minus, okay, then font size will decrease. But that will happen for all controls or all panels of VS Code. Now if you want to increase the font size of just editors, so the files are normally open in these editors. So if you want to increase the font size of this only the editors, what you need to do is go to the file and then go to the preferences, then settings, and in here you have to search for the font, okay, and down here you can see there is a font setting right under this text editor, and if you just scroll down you should be able to set the font size. So I'm gonna set the font size from 14 to say 20. Now if I come here, you'll notice that font size is increased only for the editor, but on the left hand side you can see the Explorer, the font size is not increased, or the menu bar is also unchanged in terms of size. That's it. Thanks for watching.